CBR, gusto niya talaga maging piloto. Dahil lagi niya sinasabi, someday gusto niya maging piloto, gusto niya tumira sa Amerika. Ngayon pa lang mataas na yung pangarap ng bata. Kaya yung concept namin talagang pilot.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
Kuya Vin Rossi ang aming firstborn. Si Kuya VR, very loving, sweet, masunurin yan, lalo kay Mami. Takot yan kay Mami eh. Siyempre, laging may price yan kapag sumunod kay Mami. And then, si VR naman, pag may ginagawa siya talaga, pag pinapagawa ko sa isang bagay, lalo sa school, talaga namang sinasa puso niya, sinasaisip niya, kaya yung lahat ng outcome niya is good.
From the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you make me a believer, believer. Hey, you make me a believer.
Sana sumikap ka pa ng iyong pag-aaral habang kaya pa namin kang gustusan. Sana huwag mong sayangin yung mga panahon na makasama tayo, na sana saksiyan ko hanggat sa pagtapos mo ng piloto. Wish ko lang na sana gabayan ka pa ng ating Panginoon. And happy 7th birthday, anak. I love you so much.
You make me a believer, believer. Hey, you make me a believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my God, it came from. Hey, you make me a believer. By the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up.
I'm pretty, Kuya. I love you, Kuya.
Hey, you make me a believer.